Hello students. In the previous lecture we discussed about the different network types. Now we are going to discuss questions. Now the question 1 is related to the network. Different coverage of the geographical spans of the network. This question is from GATE 2004 in 1 mark. Now a host is connected to a department. A host is connected to the department. Okay. Here we have a host. This is a machine. This one is our host, is connected to a department. This one is a department building, department in which a university of part of university, and this department is the part of university, and the university network is a part of the internet, and this university is the part of the internet. This is our internet. The largest network in which the Ethernet address of the host is unique. Now, in generally Ethernet address we mean say that the MAC address or the physical address, or it is universally unique address. Ethernet address we also call that one as the MAC address. This address is on the NIC card of our machine, on the NIC card, network interface card of our machine, and this is the unique address in the world. Unique address. This is the unique address. Unique address throughout the world. When you change, one second, throughout the world. If you change the network interface card of your machine, then your Ethernet address is going to be changed. Otherwise, it is same when you are using the same interface card. You go in India, you will reside in India, or you will going to abroad, or you are moving anywhere, join any network. The Ethernet address is a unique address. That is the address of your NIC card in your machine. And this network address is not changed. Not changed. You may be the part of a small network, personal area network, or maybe the local area network, or metropolitan area network, wide area network, or maybe the part of the internet. This address is a unique address. If we move a device from one network to another network, MAC address is same. MAC address is same. Means from this university you go to some another university. Then also your MAC address is same, because your MAC address is a unique address. So the answer of this question is the internet. The correct answer is option D. The correct answer is the option D. Option D, the internet. Okay, thank you.